driving a car is one of the privileges that everyone looks forward to as they get older. In fact, driving is often one of the signs of coming of age. When a person gets a driver's license, it is often the first time in their life that they have real responsibility. In fact, you may have heard car insurance referred to as financial responsibility. Let's take a look at why. Car insurance is required by law for all drivers, whether they own their own cars or not. Car insurance is very important not only because it is a legal requirement, but because it protects the people on the road. The primary purpose of insurance is to cover the damages done to other people and other people's property in the event of an accident. Auto insurance covers both property damage and personal injury, and if a person has an accident without insurance, he or she can be held financially liable for all damages caused by the accident. Those damages can add up very quickly, and if a person doesn't have insurance, they can be sued and their property can be taken and their wages garnished. In addition to this, auto insurance can also protect you financially by helping to pay for any repairs that need to be done to your own car, once you meet your deductible, of course. So clearly you can see why it is required by law, and why it is sometimes called financial responsibility. Fortunately for drivers, auto insurance is simple to get. There are actually multiple ways to get insurance. The way that people have done it for decades is to get in touch with an insurance agent locally. This had the benefit of talking face to face with a person so that they can get an accurate picture of what kind of insurance a person really needs to have. Of course, as with most industries, you can also get what you need online. For people who are more tech-savvy, or if you are busy and don't have the time to meet with someone face-to-face, it is actually possible to purchase auto insurance online without leaving the comfort of your own home. A big advantage to buying insurance online is that a person can get quotes from multiple insurance companies. You can select the type of car you have and input some various information about yourself and see quotes from competing insurance companies. Doing it this way can save a lot of time since you can see each quote at once rather than having to go to each individual company's website. Once a person chooses the insurance policy that meets their needs, they choose a payment plan, make a deposit, and are covered. It is also worth noting that you may have a few different options for how to pay your bill. These include 1. Standard monthly payments, just like any other bill. You pay on time each month. 2. 4 payments per 6 months, you are billed for the first 4 months in a 6-month period, and each bill is 25% of your 6-month premium. So what this means is after the first 4 months, you don't have to pay for the next 2 months, and then it repeats again beginning with the next 6-month period. 3. 1 payment every 6 months, you pay 6 months worth at a time and pay once every 6 months. Insurance is one of the few things that a person has to buy that is required by law, but it doesn't have to be a scary thing. Shopping for insurance is easier than ever, and there are different levels of coverage and different policies to meet everyone's needs. Whether a person needs liability insurance to cover a car that's 20 years old or full coverage for a brand new luxury car, there are different levels of service to fit everyone's budget and need. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.